In this video, we will show you how to set FCU to high ceiling mode using BRC1E63 remote control. Please note that high ceiling mode setting is required for FCU to perform with MERV 8 air filter. Firstly, press and hold the cancel button for at least 4 seconds for the service settings menu to be displayed. Second, select field setting in the service settings menu, and press the menu or enter button to display the field setting list screen. Third, highlight the mode, and select mode number 23 by using the up or down button. Fourth, highlight second code number of the first code number to be changed, and select desired second code number by using the up or down button. Please refer to the table for the model group alphabet, first code and second code number. Fifth, press the menu or enter button to display the setting confirmation screen. Sixth, select yes, and press menu or enter button to save the settings. Lastly, after all setting changes are completed, press cancel button twice. The backlight goes out on screen and shows checking the connection. Please stand by, is displayed for initialization. After the initialization, the basic screen returns. Thank you for watching.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.